Only 4.9% short on the float side. PE ratio is kind of high, 33.7 versus 26.1. Price of sales 4.9 versus 3.1. Price to book value very high, 103 versus 8.9. And then price of cash flow is 12.5 versus 13.3. Those numbers you want them lower, and the only one that's lower is price to cash flow. So I'm a little bit worried. Don't understand the price to book at 103. That's very expensive. We do see that on the earnings, nothing there on the earnings. We do see sales for last year up 17.7%. That is about the same as the industry, up 7.2. They did not pay a dividend, unfortunately, so no dividend there. I remember Carnival Cruise Line used to pay a nice dividend before COVID. We do see that current ratio on the balance sheet, not very good, 0.6 versus 0.9. But again, we always talk about on these cruise lines how when they receive money for these tickets, that's actually a liability. So it really throws off your numbers. And that's why it's so important to understand the numbers when you're reading these financials to understand what they mean. I don't know if that has something to do also with the debt to equity at 20.6 versus 2.7. That's a very, very strange number. We do see a net profit margin of, 14.1 versus 11.7. Return on equity, 252% versus 89.6. I think that very low equity.